It's a great day that National Skills University is completing its first training course on EV. We are very thankful to Khalid Sahab, who basically facilitated this one.
而且延展性好，因为我们汽车的底盘下面是有很多东西的，如果延展性不好，只是一个方壳子，它是很难去放在汽车底部的。
जो थर्ड टाइप की बैटरी है, जो सॉफ्ट पैक बैटरी यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, तो वो उसके बारे में कह रहे हैं कि कॉमनली यूज होती है। क्यों? इसका जो मेजर एडवांटेज है, ये बहुत टाइम के लिए यूज की जा सकती है, इसकी कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन या जो भी आपकी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है उसको स्टोर।
Engine and battery.
This is the battery for starting the car, not for driving. The main driver battery underground the body of car. Okay. This is the all controller, motor controller system. That is also another model for other facilities.
What about this one?
非常感谢我们成功的举办了第一次关于新能源的培训。现在呢，就让我们采访一下我们Mr. 刘先生。
这一期的这个举办非常成功，但我们在哈利德的带领下是吧，希望为这个国家的新能源这个汽车向前跨这一大步。
So now our first training class is successful because of Mr. Khalid leading us. So we want to hear again pushing and leading us to improving the EV energy sector in Pakistan going forward.
也希望我们法子跟巴坦的国家技能学校紧密的结合，为巴坦培养更多的这个优秀人才，优秀的汽车产业人才。
And we hope we have more chance and get cooperation with the National Skills University of Pakistan to promotion and provide the more talent for this country.
也非常感谢哈利德先生跟校长跟各位领导为这个巴坦的新能源的汽车事业做出一份的贡献。
And again, thank you for Mr. Khalid and all officers of university to provide their pleasure for this university and this country.
非常开心啊，到巴基斯坦来传授一些我们中国的一些新能源的知识。下次呢，希望还是可以让我来再给同学们再去讲一些更深的知识。
I'm very happy to come Pakistan for sharing Chinese EV energy information. I hope next time again you allow me come to here sharing and more and different information.
This was truly a unique experience and an honorable moment for the NSU because this is the first course of its nature which we offered on the premises. This became possible under the leadership and guidance of our World Vice Chancellor Professor Mustarsa and in collaboration with the efforts that Mr. Khalid put in this endeavor. We are looking forward to further more training sessions and we are looking forward to more in-depth collaboration with this joint venture. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Professor Ishaq Ahmed. I'm Chairperson of Department of Electrical Engineering. We are very pleased to see our Chinese friend here putting us in electrical vehicles. There are two parts, there is mechanical part and electrical part, and as electrical engineer I would like to improve in battery regeneration and in the motor design, improvement in the motor design. So this is from my side.
What I would like to say is that this venture between Pak-China, Huazi Green Energy and National Skills University, it's a good example of industry-academia linkage that we all at the academic level, we strive to have linkage with the industry. So with this collaboration, we will be able to train our students for giving them the skills they need for the future automotive industry.
I think it's really very good to see the partnership between the public sector and the private sectors, as well as cross-border China-Pakistan. partnership. That's really amazing. The question I had earlier was the skill training is great, but what next? And I think training the students with good skills, the future focused skills, is a great step forward. But we should be really aiming for getting the jobs for these trained people. So that partnership will be, a full circle. When you train people, they also need the jobs. So it would be amazing to have that established between the partnerships. So really happy to see this influx.
2024年，希望大家团结一致，把这项工作落实到位。谢谢。
So now 2024 is starting, so new year, a new environment. So we hope everybody and all teams to promotion this work going very well.
Thank you very much for arranging for this workshop. Basically, it was not possible without the assistance of the university and special interest of the Dr. and the faculty members of the university.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mukhtar. I really appreciate that whenever I visit this university, I see the new initiatives here. I really appreciate and encourage. And I was the part of NAVTEC, and I was very big supporter for this national development of National Skills University. And I congratulate all the team and NSU management that you people are really doing a remarkable job, and your people are always taking the initiative with the international partners, linkages with the industry and academia. I really appreciate that, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Sure.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बेसिकली हमारा 3 दिन की ट्रेनिंग थी इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स के हवाले से। हमने इस ट्रेनिंग में इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स में जो मेन 3 चीज़ सीखी हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पावर जनरेट करना, सेल्फ ड्राइव और उसके अलावा मोटर्स और बैटरी। क्यों
अच्छा है जो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल जो है ये जिसने आकर इस तरह चाइनीज़ ने आकर हमें बताया था उसके बारे में काफ़ी अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन के बारे में बताया था कि किस तरीके से उसकी बैटरीज बनती हैं, किस तरीके से इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल जो है मूव करती है, किस तरीके से उसका एनवायरमेंटल कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है उसका, उसकी बस बैटरी बनती है, कोई कंबस्शन नहीं है उसके अंदर, कोई कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहीं रिलीज़ नहीं होती, उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से लेकर उसके चलाने तक सब कुछ उन्होंने हमें ब्रीफली बताया और काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से बताया, काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। और जो गाड़ी थी वो कोई मतलब कोई कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज़ नहीं करती, एनवायरमेंट उसका काफ़ी अच्छा है और जो उसका हॉर्स पावर है वो अच्छी है, उसकी पावर जो है वो भी ठीक है, स्पीड वो उसकी वो भी ठीक है, मतलब एक कंपैरेटिवली एक गैसोलीन की जो कार है उसके मुताबिक काफ़ी उसके बराबर तक पहुंच रही है। तो इसी तरीके से ईवी जो कार जो है वो बेहतर है गैसोलीन कार से।